Introduction: Healthy smoothies on a budget.
Smoothies can be both nutritious and affordable. You don't need fancy ingredients or expensive equipment to make delicious, nutrient-packed drinks at home. By choosing simple, budget-friendly items, you can enjoy healthy smoothies for under $2 each. Let's explore how easy it is to create satisfying blends that are good for your body and your wallet.
Essential low-cost ingredients.
Frozen fruits are budget-friendly and nutritious. Options like bananas, berries, and mangoes are often the most affordable, especially when bought in bulk. Pair these with canned pineapple or in-season fruits for variety. Use plain yogurt or plant-based milks as a creamy, cost-effective base. Buying store-brand or generic options can save you even more. Stocking these staples keeps every smoothie simple and inexpensive.
Smart ways to add nutrition.
Boost your smoothie's nutrition without raising the cost. Add a handful of spinach or kale. Both blend well and offer vitamins, with little flavor impact. Oats or ground flax seeds add fiber and keep you feeling full. Peanut butter or sunflower seed butter provide healthy fats and protein for just pennies per serving. These add-ins help create a balanced, nourishing drink while keeping costs low.
Disassembling your affordable smoothie.
A basic smoothie recipe is easy and customizable. Start with 1 cup of frozen fruit and 1 cup of your chosen liquid. Add a spoonful or 2 of your preferred booster, like yogurt, oats, or leafy greens. Blend until smooth. Experiment with ingredient combos based on sales and what you have at home. This approach keeps each smoothie under $2, sometimes much less.
Tips for saving even more.
Save money by buying in bulk and freezing leftovers. Purchase fruits when they're in season or on sale, then freeze for later use. Use slightly overripe bananas as a natural sweetener. Clean out your fridge by adding leftover greens or vegetables. Reuse jars or containers for serving. These strategies help reduce waste and keep your healthy smoothie habit affordable for the long term.